guys, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my channel. I started investing my money into stocks and shares in August and I'm filming this video in January. I've just created this channel in hope that those people who are just about to start investing will find my videos useful, because I'm going to share the information here that I wish I saw or read about when I was doing my research. So in this video we will be speaking about a platform called Etoro. This is the first platform that I used when I just began. I chose this platform because I thought this is the best option for unexperienced investor and trader like me, because it gives you an opportunity to copy other traders, more experienced and more professional people, those people who know what they're doing. At the beginning when I joined Etoro, the only feature I used is just copy other traders. So in this video I will show you exactly how the profile looks, what happens after you register there, and how to trade individual stocks and shares, how to copy other people, what other financial instruments Etoro offers. You will see how much money I made, how much money I invested. Bear in mind that it's been 6 months since I started. I don't give any financial advice or recommendation. I'll just show you my journey and my experience, what worked for me, what didn't work for me. The whole idea of this channel is just to share the information that I've got, and also to record my path, to see my progress, hopefully not the regress, but I will also share my mistakes so that other people don't have to repeat them as well. Let's get to the point and start looking at my profile now. As you can see, the first page is the watch list, and on this list you can see all the different companies that are traded today, most traded, and also you can add companies to your watch list, those companies that you are interested in. If we scroll down, we can see the people. These are the people who I found, those main traders or most interesting traders for me, who I would like to copy, but before you start copying them you might just want to keep an eye on them, on their performance, and this is when you add them to your watch list, and this is where you see them afterwards. So as you can see, I added several people here. These are the portfolios that you can also copy, which I'm not copying at the moment, I'm just watching them. So as you can see, I have a very long watch list. Below at the bottom of the screen you can see this is the cash available, so this is the money that I can invest and that are already on the platform. If I want to invest them in some shares, this is where this money will be taken from. You have to deduct it from this sum. $12,000 I have allocated. That means that I have already invested these dollars into some stocks or shares. So if I wanted to take this money out, I'd need to wait for some days or for the market to open. This is not cash. This is what I have already invested. This is the profit that I made. If I had some time when it was below zero, so I was losing money, then it was red. At the moment, as you can see, I made over $1,000, but bear in mind that a couple of weeks ago it was $2,000, and a couple of hours ago it was $800 or $900. So it's changing all the time, and at the moment it's changing because the market is open, so the price is all the time is different. And this is the total sum that I have in there now. Then we can go to my portfolio, and in your portfolio you see first of all people and stocks that you've invested your money in. So as you can see, I've invested into I started copying actually this guy Jay Nemesis with quite a big sum of money. I bought Tesla. I bought 2 shares at different time. So altogether I invested this much. Profit loss ratio, that means that I made, at the moment because it's green, I made $300. In percentage, this is 22%, and if I wanted to take my money out right now, I'd get this much. And here you can see the price of the share right now. So this is live, and you can see it's changing all the time. When it goes up it turns green, when it goes down it turns red. It's all the time different. This is another person who I copy, another stocks that I bought. It's also quite a big list. Some of them are red. If it's red, that means that I'm losing money on that stock right now. Newsfeed is something very similar to newsfeed on Facebook. It's just the last things that people share, some news, some comments, some questions. This is a very helpful feature for a beginner, in my opinion. I enjoy reading it. This is how I find some information about new stock, maybe some interesting companies, and then I decide whether I want to invest in them or not. I make further research on Google. This is how it's all happening. Right, trade markets. If you go to trade markets, you can see what the hell is this? Trade markets is the page where you can pay attention to specific markets. So for example, stocks. Stocks is just companies, if you want to invest in companies. ETFs, equity funds, cryptocurrencies, indexes, when lots of companies are united into one index, so you don't have to choose the company and put all of your money into one company, but you can put one sum into lots of different companies, and this is how you keep your risk level low. Commodities and currencies and so on. So I almost don't use this page. Copy people. Copy people is where the system, the platform offers you, suggests you people to copy. They are also grouped into, they are divided into different groups. So as you can see, some are trending, some are long-term stock investors, some of them are high risk, some of them are low risk. Most copied in the last 12 months, those investors who made the biggest profits in the last 12 months. So you can choose from different people. Copy portfolios is another interesting feature. You can copy the whole portfolio, so you don't have to copy one person who may be investing in different companies from different spheres and different industries. If you invest in copy portfolios, all the market is divided into different groups. For example, cryptocurrency, or Chinese companies, the biggest Chinese companies, or the best online gaming, online shops, gaming, etc., etc. The disadvantage of this way is that the minimum deposit is $2,000. I'm doing it on my virtual accounts that I will tell you about in a second, but I don't copy any portfolios with my real money. Club dashboard is something that is available. I am a member of the Gold Club, as you can see. You can become a member of this club if you deposited more than $10,000 into your account. It gives you several perks. It's not that important, and one of the perks, for example, I got a t-shirt. But you can see that you can find it all online. You don't have to be, it's not a secret. You just Google it and you will find all the information is there. Invite friends if you want to invite someone. Help, guide, withdraw funds. The rest is pretty simple. Good feature on Etoro is that you can change to a virtual portfolio. So if you go to a virtual portfolio, you are given, and everyone is given at the beginning, $100,000 of virtual money. And this is done to practice, for you to practice, to learn how the platform works. So before you invest real money, you can try with your virtual money. I found it very helpful, and for the first couple of months I was trading only with my virtual money. So as you can see now, I have 16,000 allocated, and I made a profit of 3.3 thousand. So I basically made $3,600. If it was my real money, it wouldn't be that bad, but it's just the virtual money. Okay, so what do we do if we want to trade? So it's very easy. You can just click it from here, or if you have some company already in your head, you type it in the search bar here. For example, we're looking for NEO. Then you click trade, and here you can trade or order. Usually you order when you are trying to buy a share outside of working hours. I've never done it because I think it's always better to trade during the open hours because you know the exact price that you're buying a share at. Okay, so trade. You can choose how much money you want to put into this share, into this company. The good thing about Etoro again is that it offers fractional shares, so you don't have to buy the whole share, you can buy a part of it. But usually the minimum amount that you have to invest into one company is $50, so the system will not allow you to invest less than 50. So for example, you want to put $50 into Neon, or you just click on unit button, and you put here how many units you would like to get. 1 unit, and you see the price is reflected here, is the same price. If you are registered from the UK, you are buying the underlying asset. That's very important. That means that you are actually buying a share. If it is not a real share but a CFD, a contract for difference, it will be written here. It will be different. I will show you in a second. So then you just click open trade, and then if you go again to your portfolio, here at the bottom you see, here it is, this is your NEO. Position opened at 56. Right. What do you do if you want to copy people? If you want to copy people, you click here, you choose a person, whoever, for example this guy. You read about him, you look at their statistics, their portfolio, what they are investing their money in, and then you click copy. When you click copy, it shows you, it offers you, it asks you how much money you want to copy them with. Usually the minimum amount is $200, and then when you start copying someone, you have to start copying them with $200, and if you want to add more, I think it's at least $50 afterwards. Okay. What happens if you want to buy, for example, Norwegian oil, NAS oil, here it is. If you want to trade it, NAS oil is a Norwegian company, and that's why the market is already closed. And you see here, if I want to buy it, it says CFD trade. So this is how you know that you are not actually buying the asset. This is a CFD trade. It's like betting. It's like betting on something. You will still get your money if the price grows, and you will still lose money if it goes down. But you are not actually buying anything. You're just putting money. You're just saying that I think this company is going to grow. The shares of this company are going to grow. You're betting on it, but you're not buying them. Okay, two last things that I would like to mention is that Etoro allows you to trade only in US dollars. So if you put your British pounds into it, it will automatically convert it into the US dollars. When depositing funds, if you can click here, when you deposit funds, you will actually see how much dollars you will get for the sum of British pounds that you would like to invest. Here, for example, if you invest 1,000 British pounds today, by today's rate, you will get 1,362 US dollars. You can choose the payment method. It can be the card, PayPal, online banking, rapid transfer, Skrill, bank transfer. So you have a lot of different options to choose from, and depositing funds is free, but as soon as you want to take the funds out, you have to pay a withdrawal fee of $5. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.